Hey man, I'm your radio DJ.
From downtown Belpre, Ohio, it's the Doug Reed Show! Starring your host, Ted Buckman.
Hey everybody, I'm your host, people.
Starring tonight, Detective Bailey. There's a mystery afoot. Sergeant Fillmore and Colonel Grandpa. Hank the producer and Andy the delivery guy. Mr. Dildo and Rich Lady Malpy.
Oh, Snooky Poo.
Get away from me. And Squirrels McHippie. Hey man, tonight's featured artist, Al Zinger. Let's later tonight, folks. Oh, am I still on the air? I don't know. Oh, we gotta switch the camera too, sir.
Oh my God, we're in for it tonight, folks. Hey everybody. I don't understand it either, people.
Well, here he is, guys.
Welcome to the show tonight, folks. Tonight, we've got a real humdinger for you. Just take a look at that world, that big round world.
Yeah, believe what you want, but you know, I know the truth. Granddad, not this again. I know it. The earth is as flat as a pancake.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Here we go, people.
Dad,
What?
I need you to introduce that thing for me.
Oh, no, not that.
Yes, I'm the network producer, and I tell you what goes.
Ladies and gentlemen, the new Japanese used panties vending machine. All right, I'm not proud of it either, folks, okay? I gotta do what the network tells us to do. I hate that guy. I hate him, too. For he covets my beloved.
Oh, my God. You swore you would never tell anybody.
Oh, I'm sorry, Snooky Poo. I just can't help being in love with you.
We're a bunch of weirdos. What, Andy? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, nothing? That's right, you better not be doing nothing. I swear to Jesus Christ, if anybody touches any of my precious panties, I paid $5 million for this machine, and if anybody puts their dirty fingerprints on it, I'll know, and I'll find out, and I'll have your insides on your outsides.
Oh, my God. Well, here we go. Strap in, folks. We got the Doug Reed Show coming up next.
Tonight's feature program is brought to you by the all-new soda. You gotta get naked to try it.
You gotta get naked, oh yeah. You gotta get naked, oh yeah. You gotta get naked, oh yeah. Moving to 68.
The soft drink that kicks your ass. Catch it this Christmas. What are you doing with your life?
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Al Zinger.
Every cloud has got a silver lining, but the world just keeps slipping away. When I cry, I bring the sadness around, and the rain's pouring down, so why even try? Every day I face a challenge or two, but the world just keeps slipping away. I'm tired of being optimistic, 'cause I'm just pessimistic of why I could have been yesterday. Oh, what a wonderful life we live, ain't it a crying shame? I try to find a fault in the world, but looking in the mirror I can see who's to blame. What's the point? I try to make a difference, but the world just keeps slipping away. Don't you try, because you'll never reach it, seems so far away, and I just want to die. Can't go on. I could be very happy if the world wasn't slipping away. I'm making mistakes and my heart just aches for what could have been yesterday. Oh, why does it have to be this way?
Bo!
I'm 100% right with you, Mo. Who's on first?
Those are the wrong people, goddammit, Curly! Yeah, don't you know who we are, Curly?
Does anybody think peanut butter smells like mayonnaise? Oh! I don't understand it either, people. We'll be right back after the word from our sponsors.
Oh, shit. The story of Opal, the lunch lady who didn't understand. I don't understand. It's a mustache.
Well, that about wraps up tonight's show, folks. Thanks for coming out and supporting us. Oh, man, I'm tired of shit. All right, here we go, folks. I'm your host, people. Hey, everybody.
Goodbye, everyone. Whatever, get out of here. Oh, I gotta switch the camera too.
Hey, everybody. Thanks for joining us all night on the Doug Reed Show. We love the hell out of you. Hey, everybody.
Tonight's show is brought to you by Sally's Dumpster. She's got a little something for everybody. The Doug Reed Show.